Can you see? Boys, I've seen a lot of posts on the internet of the M3 OEM Exhaust Mod. I already have an X-pipe done. I've got secondary cats deleted. And now, today, we are going to my friend's house who has a welder, and we're going to do the 2-pipe mod. And what that means is we have to open up the muffler, basically go inside, and we need to wrap this around the exhausts, which are perforated on the inside. You're Christian. And then we've got these bad boys. We're going to secure it that way. I read online that apparently the diameter of the exhaust on the inside is 2.5 inches. Sounds kind of familiar. So I got 2 3/4. Here comes Christian. What? You interrupted our intro. I was filming an intro. Nope, you can only do it once.
You got her up, man.
Yep, we had it running too, so it's
Brought the ring dinger.
Oh, Brad's a designated film.
Oh no, this is fine.
Film mistress.
Just have to get some silicone lube if you're over there.
We're gonna use WD.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Just take off those clamps, and that should be it. The hangers,
Yeah.
or if you got a sawzall, just do a little quick.
Yeah. Should I start with the bitch ass ones back here? These should be rather easy to take out, I think.
Declined anymore.
It's not exact. Can I have the 13?
Here you go. Don't have to get up again.
Ooh, she's a tight one. Yeah, it's a 13. Nice.
That's so nice out. God.
Yeah.
Ready to get sprayed in the osh.
Wouldn't be the first time.
Okay. Let that do its thing.
Pass me.
Yeah.
Oh, did that just break?
Okay.
Welcome to Canada, boy.
We're gonna talk.
Jesus.
We're gonna talk. Mechanically declined is still declined.
This is the first mod of the. Oh shit! What's going on?
Hey, there's some silicone lube in there. Are we about to fucking light this bitch up? That yellow is so much better than the blue.
It shouldn't be this hard to turn. I am getting a bit nervous.
Ready for the big old snap? 3, 2, 1.
Just kidding.
Yep.
There she goes.
Oh well. Now we can take it off.
Working on the hangers.
God, this is ass, dude.
Hell yeah.
Should have bought an AM.
That one was the rusty one. I can switch sides with you if you want.
I'll do this one.
think it's the best thing I've ever bought.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
I'm glad they're coming out like this.
Yeah. Doesn't. It's still hanging in by the back, so we'll have to push it forward and out.
Okay. I got this side. So is it lower?
It's being held in by. Oh, here we go.
Rough.
Put it down and we're fine.
We'll clear everything out now. Hell yeah.
Easy. So much better just to fucking send it.
Start
Your shit. Woo! Alright, 2 inches. Let's get it.
Ready?
Yeah. I just washed my hands. Thing's a bit bigger than I thought.
Oh boy.
It was designed. Oh god. Car's totaled. Shit.
This has been squeaking up here too. It's quite strange. God. It's on par with the fucking veggie.
Eating some dirty burgers here at Mitch's.
Wow. Rude.
Mitch's whip. Greasy.
Yeah, you guys can go ahead and do whatever you need to. Just stainless, so you know. What's welding in?
Probably like so.
Are you removing all that or are you putting it back in?
This is from German women.
It looks like probably cancerous, man.
It's fiberglass.
Oh, that's great to breathe in.
Gross. I don't know how we're gonna get all that back in. You're supposed to actually cut this out and re-weld
Yeah.
one in, but like we're not doing that shit. Cause look, it's even got a bend in it.
It looks like an animal. Jesus.
Like this is the magic trick.
Dude, we can't breathe that. I'm not breathing that shit in. That's nasty, bro.
Yeah, that's nasty, cuz. I still don't know what I'm doing.
Oh my fucking god. You're literally dead.
There you go. Then fucking snap her off, baby.
Just trying.
Yeah, that'd be.
I'll say like the O2 heater circuit fuse and shit.
Hell yeah.
Dang shit.
Look at this bullshit, dude. Make a nice little outfit.
Some spots will.
Some spots will work.
Then muffler split the rest. Yeah.
The crock of doom. The boys.
I stopped playing.
Your boy like switched from PK to Shaman though. That's all I used to play. It has my most play hours on it. Maybe. Oh yeah, because if you just ask for
If I just say like I couldn't get a full alignment because
no, if you tell them that
It's gonna hold.
want to see a funny prank?
it's not rusted, it's just colored.
Never get her going. So why can you use that raw if it's not working?
Started to chase a hole around.
Absolutely minty. Dude, my hands feel like a baby's bottom.
Got the good shit.
Gang shit. God.
So I had to like really slowly go at it and like make it look nice. And then this is like all crooked. It's not in the right spot.
I didn't even notice.
Oh. Look at that cannon.
Oh.
Whoa!
Yeah, yeet. Almost fell over. Edit that in.
cut the video. Cut it. Yeah, oh my god. Jesus. Bigger than him. Now I'm gonna explode because I already had a cough. Yeah. Oh, my boy.
What the hell?
Whoa, my boy.
Is it my birthday now or what? What's going on?
On the next episode, we're gonna lower this house.
Morning. Fucking shit squad here, boys.
Oh god, wrecking shit already. So we'll like fill the holes first, and then it'll seal up any because like there might be like there's some spots that are. Right?
Yeah, we don't want it to sound like an N54. That's
Should be like maybe. Because you don't need much. Like, oh shit. Yeah,
That's like a lot.
now what? I think she's
So
going
you
now.
just do it like this.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells like ashes. Oh yeah, okay.
We'll use it for it.
I'm really excited to hear what this sounds
Yeah,
like.
man, it's gonna be awesome.
We're done. Painted with what? What did we paint it with? Or what did?
Oh shit.
What did he paint it with? Some exhaust stuff.
Clear exhaust, high temp, whatever. I
Hell
think it just
yeah.
seals the weld so they don't
Let's go
rust.
put it on.
Oh yeah. So you know what it is.
No, it's not. It's not on straight.
I hate when it drips.
So close. Very close.
Holy shit, let's get it. Did I just touch your face?
Oh, buddy. That's crazy. That's okay. That's really good. little bit, yeah. So this is really, really, really good.
Yeah, no, that's really good. That's crazy how different it is.
Yeah, that's perfect.
First drive PE mod.
Yeah.
Hell yeah!
Are you filming? Yep. You can tell exactly how fast I'm going because you can hear me change gears and speed it. Dude, that's dope, man.
Best part.
I'm down. Yeah, that was Mach 5. That's a bit unsafe.
Holy shit, that's so crazy. Dude, that is fire.
Dude, you can still hear it. Dude,
That's crazy.
holy shit, that's insane. I can listen to that all day. What a simple yet effective mod.